And she was working in a school as a, like canteen support helper like that. And she didn't have even, any documents or anything like, or even 20, 25, 30 years he was working here. He she didn't go back to Philippines. And she was telling us that my only one ambition is going back to Philippines. And how she started DXN activity seriously, vigorously. You know that the holidays, the schools are closed. So there is no food or anything like that. She has to find out some way for her to have the food and other support, financial support. She came to DXN for the 2 months. She started working on it and become diamond. And the income is very much supporting her. Very much. And when she talks about that one, she is having tears on her eyes. And for us, we are very proud to support her. And now you know that after a long time, after 20, 25 years, now she is going back to Philippines. So like that, so many things. This is a social support also we are giving. Through DXN, not only money making, we are all acting each other, supporting each other. Each and everybody's failures and success we are sharing. So that is the company. The company is such a solid one. After 8 years, it is growing like anything. Mr. Jijit already shown you the slides, where we are going to start soon, or already we spread it everywhere. And next, third point for focusing, the business you are doing. So are you satisfied with the company?
Yes.
Focused with your company?
Yes.
Okay, second point is also satisfied. And third one is business, the business which you are doing. You have to focus yourself. Am I right? This business, first of all, you have to tell yourself, this is for DXN? No. This is for Francis? No. This is not for Jamal? No. Nobody. This business is for yourself. This is your business. You have to focus yourself. And recently, we had a meeting in Emirates Tower by Professor Jeff Sampler. In that meeting, one point which I was very much attracted, one point I got to my brain, that is nothing other than this. Usually he used to go to big business houses and delivering speeches to CEOs of the companies, chairmen of the companies, directors like that, higher level people. And this may be the first time he is coming to people like us. And he told us that you all are CEOs of your company, right? This is it. Under us, there will be a big group. Even now we know that Banu is here, Mr. Jamal is there. They are CEO of a company. The company of human beings. So, this business you have to consider yourself first of all. I am doing this business for myself, not for my upline, not for my downline, anybody like that. Yourself. So that is the third focus point. So, are you satisfied that way?
Yes.
This business is your business. So, if you satisfy these 3 points, you are focused, practical. I am saying that, not the theoretical side. For easier way, how to focus yourself. So this particular man, I told you in the beginning, without job, he is working DXN, he is dreaming DXN daily because of the product number 1. Number 2, about the company. He doesn't have any doubt about the company because he already visited so many companies, failed in so many companies. And third, he is taking it as his company. So this is a lesson I learned from that particular person. So from observations, we can learn so many things. So this is the message which I would like to share you. The focus point. And next one is some more advantages of this network, our business, of this company. Do you have any boss? No. You are the boss. But really speaking, recently I was attending a person's small group meeting. In that meeting, he was giving a bio. In that, he was saying that very right thing. He was saying that we all like to work under somebody, right? We don't want to work for ourselves. This is a reality, right? I don't know why. We don't want to work for us. But if somebody says that you go and work for somebody, there will be, I think the reason may be the month-end process, salary. Assured salary is there. That is why we all want to work for somebody. Otherwise, everybody would like to work for yourself. Whatever you work for a company or anything, the benefit and everything goes to the owner of the company. Sure, you should do that one. You have to work for the company. If you have a job to support you, you can do this one also. You are not doing anything bad. You are supporting people, helping people. You are promoting this product. That's all. So that way, you don't have a boss in this system. You have to consider you as your boss, nobody else. And now I would like to tell you the time. Set your time. Because all of you are star agents and star rupees, right? So you have to keep a time period and money. Because I found so many people in DXN, Dubai, so many diamonds. Those who are success, they kept a target like that, time period. Within one year, I will become this position and I will earn this. Not that position alone. No, not that position alone. You have to think that I will be earning this one. And lifetime business. You know, for just samplers meeting, I'm just sharing with you that Oxford professor last week, he was in Emirates Tower. What he was telling us, the best point I was attracted, that is lifetime business. You are moving everywhere. One fine day, if you get a very good customer, or a consumer, or a leader like Mr. Ghani, or Jamal, or anybody, good leader, one fine day, if you get, that gives you lifetime business. Do you have any other business like that? No. Even when you die, it goes to your next generation, or your beneficiary. System is continuing. Never stops. Once you become an active leader in DXN, the lifetime, some income, this is lifetime. Wherever you go, whichever country you go, this income is there, assured. Now we know that we are working for a company or anything. After the finish of the contract, the income is finished. You have to find out some other way. But in DXN, this business, whenever you go back to your home country, the same business is continued. You make a business here, base here. It's the best thing. This is a great opportunity given to you. And opportunity, again I would like to share with you, opportunity is given to you, everybody, by God, irrespective of religion, irrespective of your education, irrespective of your status, right? Here we are having doctors, here we are having engineers, everybody. You see so many people. Some success people in DXN now, you see so many success people. I know them. In the beginning, they didn't know anything about the product. They didn't know anything about the marketing plan. But they keep on trying, keep on staying with the system. And now they are big business giants like. So this opportunity is given to you, everybody by God. And now let me say one thing more. That is, look up your downlines. Don't look at up what they are giving to me and all. Upline, my sponsor, what he is supporting me. So many people I hate this complaint. Your business is with your group, your downlines, not with upline. So always with them, always work with them. Your group, your downlines, they are your business partners. Don't say downlines, better say business partners. All the people under you, maybe 7th generation, 10th generation, 12th generation, but all of them under you. So you are a responsible person as a CEO of your organization. So always look down, not up. Up you have to look for better income or something like that. People's income, you can follow that one. Like you have to look at Mr. Buddhiman Salim for role modeling, or Ghani for role modeling. Yeah. So this, otherwise, always support your downlines. And next one, I would like to share the last point. This is a new tactics strategy also, because all of you are star agents, budding diamonds and leaders. I would like to give you some idea, clue. How many star agents you need for become a diamond? 6. Can you make them 6 diamonds? Can you raise your hand? Those who can, very few people only. So DXN network marketing, the business, the strategy, this is it. You need 6 star agents. If you can make them 6 star diamonds, you will be, what is our position? Triple diamond. So 6 into 6, 6 diamonds right ways, width wise, and 6 diamonds depth wise. Your income will be assured, no doubt. You take people here, successful people in DXN. I don't tell about Ghani. Just a role modeling, I am telling about the person who is sitting here, Banu Bhakta Damala. Can you raise one? He has got 6 diamond legs only. And if you ask him about his satisfaction, he is satisfied. Are you satisfied? Yes. So his long-term aim is, even though Crown Ambassador, that position 6 into 6. Anyway, if you want to become a star diamond, you have to make 6 star agents. You make 6 diamonds, automatically your income is stable, going to be stable. Same situation with Jamal Saleh. Our Jamal is sitting here. Is he here? No. Just one. So many people, Dr. Qasim, Jibinder, Jacob George. I am not talking about Ghani. Most of the earning people, decently earning people, they have 6 diamonds right side, depth also 6 diamonds. So focus on this one, 6 into 6, 6 star agents, make them diamonds, and down also 6 diamonds. So this is my message. Before winding up, you know that in our poster, I found some entertainment and funds like that. Entertainment, fun and all. So from my side, a little bit of fun. And that is a little bit of exercise also. Because already I have bored you, my speech. So I want you to move a little bit. This is not a magic. We have a magician here, Mr. Sebastian. I didn't install his magic. This is a mail, I got it. I thought this is a fund which we can apply here now. So everybody is sitting, relaxed, right? Yes. Do you have right leg? Yes. Everybody is having right leg, right? Yes. So can you just make it round like this, clockwise? Don't kick in the person sitting right side. Just make it like round like this. Okay, everybody start. Those who are interested in this fund, just make a round like that. Round, clockwise. Clockwise round. Okay? Are you doing it? Yes. You make 6. Along with that, you make 6 in the air. Like, do it. Both together. What is the result? Anybody done? But I think most of you make mistake. The reason is that our brain is tuned up like that. Always brain, because this is reverse, and the other one is clockwise. So brain confusing. I know that most of you are confused. So this is what happened for us also. Mostly we are confused. So remove your confusions, become great leaders in DXN. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Mr. Francis Matthew. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this brilliant speaker for his excellent speech today. And I request him to kindly stay on the stage to confer pins to our next set of star rubies. If you are here, you please come forward to the stage and please collect the pin from our general manager. Mr. Ganesh Thapa. Mr. Dilliman Rai. Mr. Mahmoud Istimad. Mr. Abdullahi Muhammad Ahmad. Mr. Gautam. Mr. Khalid Muhammad. Mr. Alila Bilal. Mr. Rajesh. Mr. M. Bahadur. Mr. Dilliman Prasad. Mr. Muhammad Qayyum. So you need once again the names. So if the persons are not here, we will directly enter to the star agent recognition now itself. So, yeah, please. Sir M. Bahadur. So please put your hands together to congratulate them. They deserve it, right? So please put your hands together for the wonderful shining stars of DXN UAE 2010. This will be the last recognition of this year. Hopefully next year only we will conduct the next one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Francis Matthew. Thank you.
I'm sure you've all been waiting for this moment. Leaders are made, they're not born. They're made of hard effort, which is a price of which all of us must pay to achieve any goal that is worthwhile. May I now invite the chief speaker of the day, a down-to-earth personality who is the first pride of DXN. He won the dream status of Crown Ambassador and can be considered as an expert in MLM business with an experience of 19 years. It is my honor to welcome Mr. Budiman Salim to the stage to give us his valuable speech.
Okay, good morning. Good morning. Can I step here? Yes. Oh, okay. So, thank you for inviting me again. Only after 3 years and 6 months.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah, I know you don't love me. I know the UAE people, you don't love me anymore. I was thinking that way because it takes you to invite me again after 3 years and 6 months. That is too long or too short? Too long. No. Again, thank you for inviting me. Actually, Mr. Surya called me a few times, but I cannot make it because I have a very full schedule. And actually, today I am not supposed to be here. I have a scheduled training with another group in Indonesia. I have to cancel that training and request another leader to help me to do the training. And instead of that, I am here with you today.
Welcome.
Okay. Actually, I prepared a very nice song for you. I was thinking that I'm going to dance, but too bad. I think we don't have the music. It's okay. No, I'm not going to dance now. Okay. Actually, I'm preparing a song called Stronger. Sing by Anggun. I don't know whether you know Anggun or not. Anggun Sesasmi. I'll tell you more about her. With Big Ali, it's a triple platinum album from her Elevation albums. The wording in the song inspired me a lot in the business. Every time when I feel bad, I listen to the song, okay? It said that, you see, a lot of these people can't understand when you try to do better for yourself. A lot of time they want to bring you down. Is it true? Yes. A lot of time they want to hate on you. But they can't understand that make us stronger. When they want to break me down, want to tear me up, want to scream and shout, well, you can try. Let them do whatever bad thing to you, okay? You have to show, if want to show your pride, want to push me up, want to break it up. No matter how hard, no, I want it. No matter how hard, I will not feel the pain. No matter how far for this, I will take. No matter how long, no, I won't break. Because you only make me stronger. Stronger you make me, stronger you make me. Want to shut me up, want to pull me down, want to scratch me off, go ahead and try. Want to knock me out, want to put me down, want to kick me up, yes, you can try. Want to scream out loud, want to give me up, want to burn this down. No matter how hard, no, I want it. No matter how far this I will take, no matter how long, no, I won't break. Because you only make me stronger. Stronger you make me, stronger you make me, stronger you make me, stronger you make me. Everything make me stronger, the love make me stronger, the hate make me stronger. Okay? This is actually the song sang by Anggun. Do you like the lyrics? Do you like the song? Yes. It is very motivated, am I right? This is the triple platinum sang by Anggun. This is Anggun Sesasmi. Okay? She is actually an Indonesian singer. At the age of 19 or 20, she moved to UK to pursue her career. As a singer, she failed in London. She then moved to Paris. She sang from one small cafe, one bar to the other, until she was found by a producer. Now, she lives in Europe. She is the only one singer from Indonesia that break the world in French now. She lives in French. She is an Indonesian live in France. Pay attention to that. She is an Indonesian who is singing and living in French, but she is the only most exported French song worldwide. Okay? I got crazy with her. I fall in love with her. Too bad she was married. I follow wherever she goes in Indonesia. I go to her concert. In Jakarta, in Bandung. I even fly to Bali for her. Okay? When I was in French in the year of 2005. She was traveling the whole French for her concert. And now she is the most popular one actually in Europe. Okay? This is Anggun Sesasmi. Why I share? Because I'm very proud of her, an Indonesian singer that bring Indonesia to Europe. I am very proud of her. Today, I am very proud with my company, DXN. Her story is showing the same thing to DXN, an Asia company from Kuala Lumpur, from Malaysia, that bring me to the world of DXN in 150 countries. I am proud of her as I am proud of my DXN, because now we are the number 40 in the world direct selling company. Are you proud of DXN? Yes. I am very proud of DXN. Okay. So now I'm Anggun Mania, okay? No, Anggun always remember her father advice. Okay, when she was young in Indonesia, the father told her, if you have a dream, wake up, have your shower, and work for your dreams. Don't wake up and back to sleep. This is what her father told her, and this is what bring her to the world in Europe now. Okay, same thing to our business. A lot of people ask me, what is the secret of my success? A lot of my FB friends, a lot of you are in my FB friend list. Okay, sometimes they inbox me, asking me to share the spells or magic words that I use for making me success in the DXN business. A lot of people ask me whether I use magic words or not. Okay? My friend, I'm not a magician. If only I'm a magician, okay, I don't want to become a distributor as a crown ambassador, but I want to become Dato Dr. Lim Xiao Jin. All distributor has the same opportunities, but why some are very successful, but a lot are failed. Am I right? Yes. Okay, let's see. When they fail, they have a lot of problems. Also, like me before. In the year of 1987, I have to return to Indonesia. I was in Singapore. I was studying in Singapore. My father was rich, a businessman. Then he went bankrupt in the year of 1987. I have to stop my education. I am far from uni. I have no degree. You are very lucky that you have a degree. I have no degree, okay? I just finished my high school and a diploma in Singapore. Then I come to the world of multi-level marketing. Then I start to join multi-level marketing in the year of 1988. So it's 22 years ago. I faced a lot of difficulties, okay? The problem that made people fail, okay? They always think that the upline. Yes, when you fail, you say that your upline is not doing good for you. Some people even say, my upline never sponsored one for me. Am I right? The one who clapped hand is actually thinking about that. I'm joking, okay? Sometimes they think that the company is not doing right. They are blaming the company. Okay? Can you blame a company that listed number 40 in the world? you can blame? You say, no, okay, good. So, but a lot of people, they blame on the company. The company never do this one, the company never help me for that one. The company always ask me to pay to join the meetings. Are you paying to come here? Small, but you still have to come up with money. The company never give me free brochure. The company never do this and that. Okay? So, they blame the company. They blame the product.